If you want to be able to swipe to activate split screen on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to open Settings, scroll down on the left side, and you want to choose Advanced Features. Now over here we're gonna open Multi-Window, and you should be able to find Swipe for split screen. And we can tap on the switcher to turn it on or off. You can also go into that option in order to find out how to activate this swipe for split screen, how the gesture looks like. And if you want to activate the split screen, if you use the portrait view, you want to swipe with 2 fingers from the bottom of the screen. But if you use the landscape view, then you want to swipe with 2 fingers from the right or left side of the screen, like this, or like that. There we go. Of course, we can then choose the second app that should be opened. So let's say I'm gonna choose Gemini as an example, and there we go. And that's pretty much it. Of course, if you want to, you can adjust the ratio, you can adjust the split by using these dots over here between these apps. We can also swipe all the way to the left or to the right side in order to open the app in the full view. And also, we have this line at the top of the app that allows you to also find additional options, including return to the full screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.